everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your song genre on Soundcloud. You see, you can change your song genre on Soundcloud by following these steps. 1. Access the track's edit page. How do you do this? Go to the Soundcloud profile, find the track you want to edit, and click on the three dots next to the track's waveform. Select edit. And once you've finished, then the next thing you need to do is locate the genre field. So on the edit page, you find a field for genre. Then next thing you need to do is change the genre. You can do this. You can either select from the list of available genres provided by SoundCloud, or you can enter a custom genre of your choice. Next, click on Save or Update to apply the new genre to your track. It's as simple as that. Please note, the first genre you add will also act as the primary tag for your track. You can add more specific tags in the tags field to further categorize your song. An accurate genre tagging is crucial for helping listeners find your music on SoundCloud. So choose genres that accurately reflect your song style. By following these steps, you can effectively change the genre of your song on SoundCloud and improve its discoverability. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.